So it's Friday afternoon. We've had lots of flooding in the area, and I just get a phone call from a couple of people I know who have gone down a track that I said don't go down. Predictably, they're bogged. So I'm taking the 8-wheel Argo out because I don't want to get the big 5-ton 6-wheel drive Ambo bogged, even though it's got an awesome winch. I think the Argo is probably going to have enough grunt to get it moving again, because I'm pretty sure it's just going to be greasy and shit. But yeah, these guys, anytime I get a call from them, it's usually something like this. Anyway, we'll see you in a few. We're going to be lucky if we get there with daylight left. Hopefully we can do this right. Hopefully they're not sunk up to their axles, because it's going to be a long night otherwise. Right, so not quite as bad as I thought, but still going to be a fun one. Whoop. This guy out of the way first. Alright, it's going to be fun. Probably going to screw that strap up, but okay. Shit. Whoa, 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 stop, stop! You're running over the strap. Right. Yeah. Alright, you're free, just be careful you don't run into the trailer on the way back. So give it a shot, see how you go. Fucking non-synchro gearbox. Yep. Hang on. Right, ready? Nah. Do we have traction yet? Ha! Yeah, pull it up. Cool. Yeah, just chuck it in the back. And I'll just run this over the top. Actually, I know what I do need. Some of this shit. No, we're not gonna get it with this thing. We have to try this in reverse gear, I think. Not really recommended, but right, now let's go center diff lock. Probably low range here. Get as good traction as we can from here, and we'll roll out all our straps and go from there. Probably about as close as I want to get. We'll probably get there with all our straps. Alright. There we go. Got him. Well, the dude's insisting on paying me something, and I've refused, but he's insisting, so I think I'll just accept. Alright, we'll get back out of here and hitch up and load the Argo up. Alright, so let's turn some headlights on. We got them all out. And he was nice enough to throw a little cash at me. So let's make our way home. Seatbelts, handbrake, and high range. Come on, high range, there we go. I wonder if I've got another headlight out. I might do. Oh no, they're both working. Oh, now comes the mud. Oh, and the straps on the bonnet. They probably need to come off. You know, I only just cleaned everything the other day. Ugh. I had to tell you I've had fun. Alright, we probably need some brighter lights. It's roo time. Kangaroos and wallabies and bunnies coming out your ears through here. We'll take our time and just take it slow. Low beams. I really got to get around to putting relays in these headlights. Maybe going LEDs. But we've got an oncoming vehicle, so we're going to go low beams. No, that's not rain. That's bugs. Yeah, that was a bloody truck and he turned off. That was somebody else with high beams. Alright, not far off the car wash. We'll see you there. Car wash time. Alright. I do the 4-wheel mostly. We'll do the 8-wheeler when we get home. Okay, so let's open my vents and windows again. So this will be the end of our adventure. Done at the car wash and I needed it. And hands are a bit cleaner. I'm going to my favourite restaurant, which happens to be open at nearly 10 o'clock at night. And right across the road, gonna get myself a decent milkshake. Alright, here we go. See you all next time.